propagate your spekboom. So what you'll need is a bottle. You'll be cutting this in half. As you can see, it has already been done. Ensure that the lid is off. You're going to need a piece of cotton string. This will allow for the water to be absorbed at the bottom of the bottle as soon as your spekboom has been put in. Then you'll fill it up with soil. Loose soil on top, and as you can see, half of the string is at the bottom. Put it in the bottle. Next, you'll be cutting your spekboom. So what you need to remember is that you need to cut it at an angle and then clean. It has to be clean for about 2 to 4 centimeters of all of the spekboom leaves. Then what you do is you put it in here, and then you can put water in the bottom, and the water will be absorbed through the string into the plant.